Okay, so in front of me today I have this gaming laptop. Which is from HP, and HP claims that it should help you do all of the graphic kind of performance thing like running Premiere Pro, not FCP. You can if you want to FCP, if you guys know what I mean. All the softwares like the Maya, the VFX softwares, the editing softwares or audio softwares, and even for gaming like the high performance gaming thing. So like PUBG or Counter-Strike, Real Racing or whatever you want to play on it. So they say that you can throw anything at it and it will outperform your expectations. So that's what they say. It's a little bit not that heavy. Like generally gaming laptops are very heavy and very bulky in size, but this is not that heavy. And this is an HP Pavilion series. Oh, look at that. You see this? This is not that heavy. Gaming laptops should be heavy and bulky. That's how they wear. But I think they haven't changed. What's in the box? It's a laptop, and there is the power brick. And one more thing. This is instructions. You don't need it. So the box instructions, both of us, which we want now. So this is the power brick. This is the power brick, and this thing has fast charging. Yep, you heard me. This thing has fast charging. So look at how this thing looks. Look at this. How it looks like an MI power bank, right? But this thing supports fast charging, which is great. And talking about the laptop, oh man, I'm just not accepting the fact that how light this is. Like, look at this. It's nothing. Okay. I love the packaging, just minimalistic packaging, no this, no that, nothing, just these things. So when we talk about the laptop, the laptop comes in few variants. Number one, this i5 and Intel, obviously it's powered by Intel and NVIDIA graphics card and even AMD Radeon graphics card, so that's up to you which one you want. The one that I have here is an Intel i5 processor, 8th generation Intel i5 processor with NVIDIA graphics card. Okay. Let me just open this in front of you and let's see how this thing looks. Oh, by the way, it got an anti-glare display, so you can see the reflections of the light and stuff. I love the way these vents are here, man. Like these are, can you see this gap? Let me show you. Can you see this gap here? These are ace vents, like air vents, and look at the gap. It's cool, right? It looks cool. It's a purple variant. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it on, and so when we talk about the variants, let me just turn this thing to that side so that you can see what's happening here. And when we talk about the variants, this thing has an Intel i5 and Intel i7 processors. So I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna switch it on. Okay, I already set it. I have already did the setup and stuff. I have installed a few apps so that I can record the screen and try out few editing and stuff. So let's see how this thing. Okay, this is how you go switch it on. You ready? Just be ready for this. The HP logo, all good, no worries, no problem. Okay, let's so until this thing gets on, let's talk about the specs. So this baby comes in like an i5 processor, an Intel i5 processor and an Intel i7 processor. So this thing here that you see is an i5 processor with NVIDIA graphics card. If you want, you can go with an AMD graphics card. That's totally up to you. I went to the NVIDIA graphics card with 2 GB. And the thing about this display is an anti-glare display, 15.6 inch, clocked at around 60 Hz, I guess. Yeah, around 60 Hz. But you can go with the 4K variant, which is at 144 Hz. That's what I think. I think that's what it is. That's what it is. And the second thing about the display is obviously 1920 Full HD IPS LCD display. It's an anti-glare display, so there will be no problem for you guys to work when you are like outdoors and stuff. That's very, very good. And if you see here, right here, okay. So let me show you the best thing about this laptop, which I absolutely love. What is this? Look at this. You see that? Can you see that? It's purple. It's purple. Yeah, it's backlit keyboard, so you can use it at night too. I don't know, I still haven't figured out, like I don't know that we can change the colors of the keyboards or not, which I don't think we can, because everything you see here on the keyboard is purple, like even the numbers are purple, so I don't think we can do that. So this baby costed me around like 70,000, and if you want the higher model, which like it goes around somewhere around 1 lakh. So if you want that, you can check that out too. Okay, so that's how the laptop looks. It's just like, it's good. Like the viewing angles, as you can see the angles are pretty good. It's pretty good. That's not how you want to see a laptop, but this. So I've installed all the like Adobe apps like the Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, and After Effects. So I'm gonna just open the Chrome browser. Let us see the performance of this, because it's obviously, this thing has an 8 GB RAM. You can go up to 16 GB RAM, I guess. 8 GB RAM is, I think it's more than enough for me. 8 GB RAM plotted 2.4 GHz, which you can extend it up to 3.4 or 3.2 GHz. So let's just open the Chrome browser and let's just see what this thing has. I know I'm dark, and which is totally okay. I want you guys to see the screen, not me. So I press HP Pavilion gaming laptop. Yep, I want that. Gaming laptop. Yeah. Okay, let's just search this. Let's just search this. And as you can see, the pricing and stuff is 63, 18, 90, and it depends on like if there is a good sale and stuff going on, you can buy this laptop at that price. So I'm just gonna turn this thing here because I'm very dark right now, because the camera is focusing right now on this light. Okay. Wow. This is not the room light. This is the light that's coming from the laptop. You see that? It's too good. Oh, the display looks so good because it's an anti-glare display, like 1920 and 1080s. So obviously it's gonna look good. When it comes to the performance, obviously it's gonna be fast because it's an NVIDIA processor. So it will. Okay, let me just open the Chrome. The light's looking so good. So when it comes to the performance, obviously it will be very good because it's an latest Intel Core i5 8th generation and an NVIDIA graphics card, so there I don't think that would be much of a problem for me. But I have run Premiere Pro and Lightroom and like After Effects in this, and I haven't faced any problems until now. I hope it will not give up in future too. And I have seen a lot of people playing games before buying this laptop, and they were very happy with the kind of performance it was giving, like the HP. No one did expect, because when you go for gaming laptops, you generally buy PCs or you go with Alienware or say MSI. You don't plan or think about HP, but this time I think HP has done pretty good when it comes to gaming. And when it comes to the speaker system, you have to hear this. Okay, so the speaker system here is in combination with B&O and HP. The tuning and stuff is done by B&O, but the speakers is actually an HP, and I will show you the speakers. Look at this speaker, it's diamond shaped. Yep, it's diamond shaped. I will show you. And the HP were working with Beats before this, but since Apple bought the Beats, so that they are not anymore. They're not working with them anymore. So their new partner, I think, is B&O. So let's just hear the sound. Okay, Kyra new. Let's see how the thing sound. This is a 0. I'll just put this to 100. So it's good, it's pretty good, but if you're gonna do gaming and stuff on this, editing or gaming, you obviously are gonna wear your personal headphones. But even if like there is no one at the home and you wanna play it out, obviously it sounds pretty good. As you can see, look at that. It sounds pretty good. That's it for the laptop. I'm gonna test it and see what this thing can do and all of the stuff. I hope it doesn't give up on me, because I'm gonna do like high extensive VFX and editing kind of stuff on this thing, because that's what I'm learning right now. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one, and if you want to check out this laptop or this higher variants, I will leave a link down in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, because it's free. It's free. Thank you so much.